Hi, welcome you all to my channel, The Excelism. Friends, this video is part of the series of videos on the statutory branch audit. In fact, for the last many days, for the last 1 week, all the professionals started doing their statutory branch audit. I am getting so many messages, so many queries. Wherever it is possible, I am trying my level best to replying them and answering each and every question, especially the questions with respect to converting text files data into the Excel. That is nothing but converting the unstructured data into the structured format, as well as other analysis part of the data. If they get the data into Microsoft Excel, what different type of analysis they can do. So this video is actually one chartered accountant asked me a question. When he converted a text file into Microsoft Excel, the date column is not properly formatted. Meaning your system may be having a DDMM YYYY or MMDD YYYY. Sometimes without having any backward slash or hyphen, your date comes just like that. This is with reference to the Indian bank. Let me share the screen so that you can see more information. This is what the question he asked me in the WhatsApp. I replied him. However, I feel if I can make a video, this is helpful for everyone. So, good afternoon, sir. Kindly help. NPA information copied from Notepad to Excel and converted from text to columns. The NPA date is coming in this format. Is there any way I can convert into date format? Actually, it's a very simple thing. What I'm doing now, I copy pasted the same data into the Excel. In fact, he converted already into Excel. Just for your information, this is with reference to the Indian bank. You make sure to get the report name called list of all categories of non-performing assets, where you will be finding SMA information, NPA date, all the NPA related information. So this is what the column he found. How to convert this column into the regular format? This may be useful for many reasons. If you want to calculate quick mortality, then quick mortality is nothing but the number of months difference from the sanction date to the NPA date. If it is less than 12, then we call it as a quick mortality account, right? So if the date is not in a proper format, you cannot write the formulas on this column so that you can calculate the number of months and so on. Even for filtering, even for analysis purpose, the date column is not proper here. How we can convert this particular date column into the regular format? It's very simple. Let me copy this. Let me select this data. Control C, Control V. You need not to go anywhere. You need not to write any formula. It is very simple. You can go to the data tab. There is an option called text to column. Click it. Whether it has selected delimited or fixed width, list border, just click next. Just click next. That's all. On the last step, you'll be finding four options here, four radian buttons: general, text, date. Don't skip, do not import column. That is nothing but skip this column while you are importing. In fact, this is belongs to the date option. I am trying to convert this particular column into the format of the date. Now in the drop down, you are having six different combinations: MDY, DMY, YMD, MYD, DYM, YDM. Whether it is in the same format or different format or any of these six formats, still you can follow the same procedure to get the proper result. In this case, I need to select this is in which format already. If you observe 30/04/2022, meaning this is D, this is M, and this is Y. Let me select DMY. For example, if the format you find is 04/30/2022, then you may need to take MDY. You just need to tell to the Excel in the drop down the original data is into which format. This is DMY. Once I click finish, what it does, it will convert this format into your system format. If your system format is MDY, it will convert into the month, then date, then year. Otherwise, if your system format is DMY, it will convert into date, then month, then the year. In my case, if you observe my clock year along with the date, it is DD, MM, YYYY. So it will convert into that format. Let me click finish. Don't worry. Let me expand the column width. Now you can see properly it has converted into the regular date format. Whoever finding this type of column while you are importing the data, or rather converting your text data into the Excel format, then you can follow the small technique using the text to column. You can convert this format into the regular date format. I hope this video is helpful. Please make sure to subscribe my channel, The Excelism, for upcoming videos. Thank you so much.